Happy Wednesday, y'all. Joshua and I don't know if you can see him. We are trying to find somewhere to go, something to do for him because he's just been cooped up all summer. So we are on a mission to find somewhere. We were gonna go to Ontario Playing Cafe, but they are closed today. Go figure. So we're gonna find somewhere else to go for something for this kid to do while I get some work done. So unfortunately, we're back home. We had to leave the library because he was kind of just being naughty. And in my ice cubes go making a smoothie. You can hear him playing drums now, but he's grounded from TV for the rest of the day, so boo. It totally bums me out when I have to stop doing what I planned on doing with one of the kids because of behavior. Because obviously, like, I wanted to take him somewhere fun so that he could have fun while I was getting work done, and now he's grounded. So, I mean, yeah, he's at home playing the drums and stuff, but like, still, now I'm like bummed.
Constantly trying to figure out what the heck is and we need to be real here. We do need these platforms.
Being grounded isn't all that bad when you get to snuggle mommy more.
Whether you're a course creator, a coach, or a service provider, you've got
Love
to get
you.
the word out about your business to keep your lights on. So I
You know what it feels like a cubicle?
Yeah, mommy's been grounded before.
How much time?
Not a lot, because I was a perfect angel when I was a kid. It's definitely Thursday now, and look at this kitty. He thinks he owns my office, and I guess this is his office now. I need to do something about this hair, and I already had a consultation call this morning for poop training, and I have a consultation call right now in like 3 minutes for sleep training, and then I will do something about this hair. I've been so bad at vlogging this week, but it's Friday and I'm teaching music and movement, which if you haven't been following and you don't know about my music and movement class, it's basically music and dancing with instruments, shakers, scarves, rhythm sticks, like all the things with little 1 to 3 year olds, and it is so cute and fun. So let's go do that. To teach my kid to throw items into my dad's bus. You coming? We're gonna go pick up Timmy and Kaya from summer camp, and then it's cousin sleepover night at Mima and Papa's house. So we're gonna bring them out to Mima and Papa's.
I'm gonna buy a new Bakugan.
Okay.
I mean, because I'm bringing my money.
You're bringing your money?
To Mima and Papa's, yeah. I keep my money.
We're here. Give me kisses. I'm gonna miss you. Whiskers. Mwah.
You can keep it. But you can keep Whiskers until I come back.
The kids are gone. We're going out. It is date night. No kids allowed. No vlog allowed. We're done. Say bye.